Most people walk around believing something is slowly wearing them down. That tired feeling, that stiffness, that mental fog that creeps in day after day. It feels like decline. But what if that's not what's actually happening inside your body? What if, at this very moment, your body is trying to fix itself, but something is getting in the way? Because here's the truth most people never hear. Your body is not designed to break down. It's designed to rebuild. Right now, beneath your skin, millions of tiny repairs are happening. Cells are being replaced. Tissues are being restored. Systems are recalibrating. Not occasionally, but constantly. And if you stay with me for the next few minutes, you'll start to see your body very differently. Quick pause. If you care about understanding your body and staying healthy long-term, subscribe now. This channel is all about simple science that actually works in real life. Because what you're about to learn isn't complicated, but it is powerful. Think of your body like a construction site that never shuts down. Workers are always active. Damage gets identified. Old material is removed. New material is installed. Your skin renews itself regularly. Your blood refreshes in cycles. Even your bones are quietly restructuring. So when people feel worse over time, it's rarely because the system stopped. It's because the system is missing what it needs to function properly. Imagine a repair crew ready to work, but no supplies ever arrive. No bricks, no steel, no tools. The workers are still there, but nothing gets fixed. That's what's happening in many bodies today. Not failure, but lack of support. So today, I'm going to show you 3 simple foods that act like delivery trucks, bringing exactly what your body needs to repair itself faster. Let's start with the foundation, because without this, nothing else works effectively. Eggs. Not trendy, not expensive, but incredibly efficient. Your body is built from proteins. Every structure, every function, every repair process depends on them. And every day, your body breaks down damaged proteins and replaces them with new ones. But here's the key. Not all protein sources are equal. Eggs provide a complete set of essential building blocks your body recognizes and uses easily. That's why scientists often compare other proteins to eggs as a standard. But the real power isn't just in the white. It's in the yolk, the part many people avoid. Inside that small golden center is a dense supply of nutrients your body uses for repair, protection, and regulation. There's support for your immune system, support for your brain, support for your nerves, and one nutrient most people don't even realize they're missing: choline. Without enough of it, your brain and liver struggle to function at full capacity. Eggs quietly supply it in one of the most natural forms available. So instead of causing harm, as once believed, eggs are actually one of the most efficient repair tools your body can use. But building materials alone aren't enough. Because even if your body has everything it needs, it still has to absorb and use it properly. And that brings us to the second food. Inside your body is a hidden control center most people overlook. Your gut. Not just for digestion, but for communication, for regulation, for balance. Trillions of microorganisms live there, working constantly to influence how your body reacts, repairs, and protects itself. When this system is balanced, everything runs smoother. When it's not, you feel it. Low energy, poor focus, weakened resistance, slower recovery. This is where fermented foods like Greek yogurt and kefir come in. They introduce beneficial bacteria that help restore order, strengthening your internal environment, helping your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Reducing unnecessary stress signals that slow repair. And there's something else. Greek yogurt also provides a steady release of protein, meaning your body gets a continuous supply of building material instead of short bursts. But there's one important detail many people miss. Not all yogurt helps. Added sugars can disrupt the very system you're trying to support. So the simplest choice is often the best. Plain, natural, unprocessed. Because when your gut works better, everything else follows. So now your body has materials, and your system can use them effectively. But there's one more piece missing. Energy and communication. Bananas may seem ordinary, but biologically, they play a critical role. Your muscles, your nerves, even your heartbeat depend on electrical signals. And those signals rely heavily on one mineral, potassium. Without enough of it, things start to feel off. Muscles tighten unexpectedly. Energy drops. Focus becomes inconsistent. Bananas provide this mineral in a form your body can use quickly. They also supply a natural source of energy your body can access without strain. Not overwhelming, not excessive, just steady support. And beyond that, they help feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. So now, you're not just supporting one system, you're reinforcing multiple layers at once. Energy, balance, recovery. Now, step back and look at the full picture. Eggs provide the structure. Yogurt helps your body use that structure effectively. Bananas support the systems that keep everything running smoothly. 3 simple foods. Working together, not as a trend, not as a shortcut, but as support for how your body was designed to function. Because your body isn't failing you. It's adapting to what you give it. And when you consistently provide the right inputs, it responds quietly, efficiently, powerfully. If this helped you understand your body better, subscribe and stay with us. Because the more you understand, the better decisions you make, and that changes everything. No confusion, no extremes, just simple support for real recovery. And that's where true health begins.